Very good morning to you all. I am Dr. G. Stephen, Assistant Librarian, St. Xavier University, Kolkata. I would like to share some information regarding ResearchGate. ResearchGate is one of the academic identity of all the researchers. Maximum million number of researchers are connected as the ResearchGate members. They can connect with LinkedIn as well as Facebook. Maximum many members are joining with Gmail only. So have if you don't have account, go click join for free option. If you have already an account, go for login option. In this login option, I have already account, so I click on login option. The email, once I need to enter my username and password, then click login option. Once that ResearchGate homepage opened, this is a normal view. To all the members got like this view only. You can get these three sessions in left hand side and right hand side. You can see your profile photo with some messages and notification and add new options. In this home button, you can see what are the recent articles are shared are added by other researcher in ResearchGate. Those articles are appeared in this home sessions. Followed by question session. In this question session, what are the recent questions are asked or what are the questions are replied by me, like that this session will show. You can start see new technical question, or you can start a discussion. And this is recent jobs. What are the jobs are available currently? Some of other institution members, they posted here. You can see that also. Here you can search what are the articles are needed. You can type or research, or you can search the researchers, or you can search institution wise any researcher if you want. You can search here. And this is notification button. In this notification button, what are the other members of activities related with me, those all are appear here. And this is the messages option. If anyone shared any related information in this ResearchGate, it will show in here. And this is personal messages. If you want to any request, can do that. Currently I don't have any new request. Here this is once you click this arrow, down arrow, you can see this your profile, your saved list, or if you have any project or any group, you can see here. And this is invite colleague. If your co-author is not member in ResearchGate, then you can invite through this option, and setting and help center and logout option. If you want to add new articles, then you can click this add new option. In this add new option, here you can select which one you want to add, article or preprint or conference paper, or if your any presentation or poster data, like that. Once you click, then you will they will ask some record information, title, author, everything. Then you just simply upload the paper. Once you upload the paper, you can see here immediately this author have upload this paper, or this author have replied answer, or this author have asked some question, like that. And also you can view in your profile number of research items are there, how many research article, or how many project, or how many questions you asked, how many answer you answered, everything in research overview you can see here. And also this is an important and stats overview, how many research interest, how many citation, how many recommendations so far your articles, and how many total number of reads. These reads include research item, data, answer, question, whatever. Overall reads are mentioned here. and this is an important, this is the score that ResearchGate score. Here you can see how many research score I have got. In this research score, how many percentage from publication, how many percentage from posting, like that. So here also researcher member, researcher, how many your score is, how much other members related with, like that. How many indexes are there, these all are you can get. And these are following, how many are members are following, that list will be displayed here. Research number of following, I am 2089 following research item. Out of this 2089 I have research item 1004 question I am following 597, project 428, like that. Here if any one article, if you want to recommend or follow or share, you can just follow this option. So these are the main activities in academic identity of ResearchGate. So if you don't have an account, you just immediately create, and it will help you to get to the number of citation and how you are popular among the researcher. Thank you so much.